I'm gonna start doing live streams because of a 100 sub premiere I'm doing for my Diamond Bakugan collection, including a custom one, so stay tuned for that. So here are the rules for the live streams. Number 1, you are not allowed to donate. Any donations will be taken back, which I cannot do. If you do donate, return the donation and retract your message. Number 2, be nice and say things related to what I'm doing. Especially, let's just say if I'm doing a Bakugan live stream, you need to talk about, like, I don't know. So yeah. Okay, and rule number 3, always make sure you are a subscriber to my channel. Or if you're not and you dig my content, subscribe then, okay? Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the outro. And thank you for watching this video, okay? So one thing I forgot to mention, I'm going to put the link to this video in the description for all live streams and premieres. So do not text in the chat without watching the video. Otherwise, you will be out of the chat for one stream or premiere. Okay, last video. Subscribe to me in the right. I'll see you next time. Bye.